General homeostasis in plants. 1. What is homeostasis in plants? Homeostasis is the ability to maintain a steady state within a constantly changing environment. 2. Which external factors influence homeostasis in plants? Water availability, nutrients, and temperature influence homeostasis in plants. 3. Name 2 types of adjustments involved in plant homeostasis. Osmotic adjustment, osmoregulation, and thermoregulation. Osmotic adjustment, osmoregulation. 4. What is osmotic adjustment? Osmotic adjustment is the maintenance of water and solute levels in the body. 5. Define endosmosis. Endosmosis is the inward movement of water into a cell when placed in a hypertonic solution. 6. Define exosmosis. Exosmosis is the outward movement of water from a cell when placed in a hypertonic solution. 7. What happens in an isotonic solution? In isotonic conditions, water potential inside and outside the cell is equal, so there is no net movement of water. 8. What is a hypertonic medium? A medium with higher water potential and lower solute concentration than the cell sap is hypertonic. 9. What is a hypertonic medium? A medium with lower water potential and higher solute concentration than the cell sap is hypertonic. 10. What happens to a plant cell in a hypertonic medium? The cell undergoes endosmosis, absorbs water, and becomes turgid. 11. What happens to a plant cell in a hypertonic medium? The cell undergoes exosmosis, loses water, and becomes flaccid. 12. What is the ideal osmotic condition for plants? Isotonic conditions, but these are rarely found in natural environments. Osmotic adjustments in different plant types. 13. What are hydrophytes? Hydrophytes are plants that live in areas with abundant water, such as aquatic plants. 14. What is the main problem faced by hydrophytes? Hydrophytes face flooding due to excessive water in their environment. 15. What adaptations do hydrophytes have? High transpiration rate. Stomata on the upper epidermis. Thin or no cuticle. 16. What are mesophytes? Mesophytes are plants found in areas with a moderate supply of water, such as wheat and rice. 17. What is the osmotic condition of mesophytes? Mesophytes are usually exposed to nearly isotonic conditions. 18. What adaptations do mesophytes have? Moderate transpiration rate. Stomata on the lower epidermis. Thin cuticle and little water storage. 19. What are xerophytes? Xerophytes are plants that grow in areas with very little water, such as cacti. 20. What is the main problem faced by xerophytes? Severe dehydration due to hypertonic condition. 21. What adaptations do xerophytes have? Low transpiration rate. Sunken stomata. Thick cuticle. Leaves modified into spines. Water storage, succulents. Osmotic adjustments in halophytes. 22. What are halophytes? Halophytes are plants adapted to grow in saline soils with high salt concentrations. 23. What is the main problem faced by halophytes? Saline soils cause physiological drought, preventing water absorption. 24. How do halophytes adjust osmotically? Some accumulate salts, sodium and chlorine ion, in vacuoles. Others produce compatible solutes like glycine and sorbitol. Thermoregulation in plants. 25. What is thermoregulation in plants? Thermoregulation is the adjustment of plants to cope with low and high temperature stress. Low temperature adaptations. 26. How does low temperature affect plant cells? Reduces membrane fluidity. Causes crystallization of lipids and ice formation in cytoplasm. 27. How do plants prevent membrane crystallization? By increasing unsaturated fatty acids in membranes. 28. What is supercooling in plants? Supercooling is a process where cytosol changes solute composition to prevent ice formation. High temperature adaptations. 29. What effects does high temperature have on plants? Causes dehydration due to excessive transpiration. Leads to enzyme denaturation and metabolic damage. 30. What adaptations help plants survive high temperatures? Shiny cuticles to reflect light. Numerous stomata for transpiration. Synthesis of heat shock proteins. 31. What are heat shock proteins? Heat shock proteins are heat-tolerant proteins that protect enzymes and prevent denaturation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.